Hello there guys, it's me Ems, and today's video ipapakita ko yung uniform namin sa Happy Corner. My madam get one for grandma, this one, and the other one is for me. May nakasulat na Ems. So ayan, bubuksan natin para makita nyo ang uniform namin sa school. Ganyan siya guys. Ganyan siya. Yan po. Yan ang tatak niya. Happy Corner. Tapos yun yung Chinese name. And then, may logo siya guys na ganito. This is it. This clothes is made in Taiwan, and there is 4 branches of Happy Corner. 4 yan. They are all elders. Mga nag-aral doon ay mga matatanda. Different kind of, yung mga sakit nila iba-iba. May Alzheimer, may hypertension, may pilay, may bulag, may hindi makapagsalita, at iba, they are sitting on the wheelchair. So, this is the clothes we're wearing. Kumuha si madam ng isang ganito kasi alam nyo guys, ang ginawa ko sa isa kong uniform, kung bakit, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Siguro, sasabihin nyo na nabuwang na si Ems. So, ayan ha. Wait. So, hi! Kung bakit kumuha si madam ng bago kong uniform. Kasi the reason is yung ito ba. I got this one. I got this one because it's very hot. When the elders in the Happy Corner asking me, why your clothes is like that? It's different. And I just told them that I'm sorry because I got it. And I asked my madam to get some new uniform para sa akin kasi they decided us na we will go and visit the Taiwan Presidential Palace. So we need to wear this uniform. But I am thinking, paano ako mag-uniform? Yung uniform ko ganito na nga, diba? Kinat ko yung ganito. Kaya I decided to tell my madam that if possible, get a new uniform. And then she told me, okay, I will get new one, pero huwag mo uling gugupitin, sabi niya sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, Ma'am, I promise I will not cut it again. Kasi nga, nakakahiya, pumunta ka doon, tapos ganito ang suot mo. You know why they are always calling me a gangster? Because I wear like this, and they said that when I walk, it's like I'm a gangster, but I'm not a gangster anyway.
Uh-oh.
So, this is it, my new uniform. S. And this is for my patient. All of us has new uniform. So, ayan guys, thank you so much sa panunood. And I really appreciate you for watching my mixed videos. Even my videos is not good, but still there are some who want to watch my videos. Have a good day and God bless. And by the way, say hi to my Crocs.
Huh?
Peace and bye-bye. Take care. Babush.